I've had my KORG handytraxx play for around a month now, 3 weeks a month. And I've got my review coming up soon, next few days. But I know one of the concerns are the crossfader and it being in maybe the wrong position. So this is how you rotate the crossfader to suit your style, to suit you, or for you to show and tell others. I've got quite a few of these portable turntables. I've got the Omni, I've got the Vestax handytraxx, and obviously the KORG. Right, so here goes. First, I need to warn you that I don't know if this will have anything against a warranty. I would imagine not, because you're just flipping it, and if you had a problem with your turntable later on, you could just flip it back again. First off, you have to unscrew the 4 screws on the top plate, and they're not locked in with any Loctite, so they're quite easy to remove. Make sure you've got the right size screwdriver. You don't want to chew up the heads on the screws. And once you've done that, remove the fader and crossfader heads. Put all those levers in the central position so that they're going just straight up. And that is all that is needed to remove the top plate. If it doesn't come off, don't try and wedge anything in there. Make sure you've clipped in the tone arm. I actually turned mine upside down with the lid on, so it could only fall in the lid. I thought this top plate was plastic, but it's metal, so it's quite heavy, so be careful and make sure it doesn't drop anywhere. Once you have that top plate off, which is easy to take off, it just falls off, remove these small screws at the edges of that black plate. These screws are in quite tight, so again, make sure you've got the right screwdriver and just unscrew all of these. Once you have all of those screws out, that is it. You just pick up the plate and you rotate it. There is enough cable for you to easily rotate it. And once you're about to lower it back into position, just make sure that everything's tucked in and fit the plate back in place. Once it's all snug back in position, just put those screws in that you took out before taking this plate off. Replace the top plate back into position. Then put the top plate screws back in. That's it. If you like this video and you found it informative, you can give me a like, a thumbs up. And if you want to, you can subscribe for a lot more on this portable turntable and other portable turntables. Thank you so much for watching.